So now let's go into an introduction to regression analysis. So once again, we've talked about how managerial decisions are often made based on looking at the relationship between two or more variables. Sometimes the manager is going to just use intuition to figure out how these variables are related, but sometimes we can use data to use some statistical procedures called regression analysis to develop an equation showing how our variables are actually related. So in regression analysis, we estimate one variable based on another variable. The variable being estimated is our dependent variable, or our outcome variable, and the variable used to make the estimate or predict the value is our independent variable, or our input variables. The relationship between these two variables needs to be linear for a linear regression model. But both the independent and the dependent variables must be in our interval or ratio scale so that we can make a regression equation, which would be an equation that expresses a linear relationship between our two variables. So with a simple linear regression, we have basically y equals mx plus b. You've probably seen this equation many times before. And basically that slope value is looking at any one change in unit in the independent variable x is going to be assumed to have the same amount of change in our dependent variable, or y. We can also have multiple linear regression where we can have two or more independent variables.